In this video, you'll learn how to talk at a bus stop in English. Simple, real conversations you can use every day.
Hey, is this the bus stop for the number 24?
Yeah, it is. You're in the right place.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure. I don't take this bus often.
No worries, it usually comes every 10 minutes.
Usually, so it can be late?
Sometimes, yeah, especially in the morning.
Figures. Do you know how much the ticket is?
It's $2 if you pay cash.
Okay. Do they give change?
Not always, it's better to have the exact amount.
Oh, I should check my wallet then.
Or you can use a travel card if you have one.
I don't. Where can I buy it?
There's a small shop near the station. They sell them there.
Ah, I must have missed it. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Are you going far?
Just to the city center. About 5 stops, I think.
Yeah, that sounds right. I get off near the library.
Nice. Is the bus usually crowded?
At this time, yeah, it gets pretty full.
Great. Another standing ride.
Yeah, but at least it's cheap.
True. Oh, looks like it's coming now.
Finally, let's get ready.